Homesnap Pro is a mobile application that allows you to see MLS information for properties that are near you. It even allows you to see information for properties that aren't even on the MLS. Using your GPS location, it will show you what is nearby. If you tap on any of the properties, you'll be able to see additional information. If you are close enough to the property, you'll be able to start a safety timer that would alert your emergency contacts should you be unable to stop the safety timer. You can also send a rapid CMA, see additional property history, and any agents that may be related to this listing. Not only does Homesnap allow you to see information regarding these MLS listings, but at the top right, there is a camera that allows you to take a picture of a property, and it will give you the estimated value of the property. When you're in the map, they also have commuting time, which allows you to add up to 5 addresses, and it will draw a polygon for you depending on the addresses that are supplied and the commuting time that you supply as well. The map also allows you to search through drawing. It'll allow you to search what is near you. You can see additional layers of information such as schools, parcel information, and change to satellite view. To return to your list or split screen, you would simply tap on list. These are just a few of the things that Homesnap can do. It is a very powerful mobile app for those realtors or those real estate agents that are always on the go. For more information, please feel free to reach out to us, and thank you for being a Miami member.